Hey guys, today we're making apple cinnamon marshmallow treats. I saw this online yesterday and I knew I immediately had to try it. Oh, first let me say I saw this on All Recipes page, so let me give them credit and I'll tag them so that I can give them credit for the recipe. First, you want to butter your baking dish. You can either spray it or just use some butter. Now, I never could find all the exact measurements that they used because it was just a real quick video. So we're going to kind of wing it, but I don't think you can really mess up Rice Krispie treats. We're going to take 6 tablespoons of butter cut into little pats and put it on the bottom. Now we're going to pour in about a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Now I'm going to put in a bag of big marshmallows. I am using a 12-ounce bag. They may have used one bigger, but we're just going to go with it. Because these are apple cinnamon on top of my marshmallows, I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle on a little bit of extra cinnamon. Because y'all know I love cinnamon. Now we're going to put in some Apple Cinnamon Cheerios. I think when you do Rice Krispie treats, you use about 8 cups of cereal. I don't know if this is going to hold 8 cups, so we're just going to see how it goes. All right, I've got 7 cups of the cereal in here, and I still have this much left, so I can always stir in more if it's a little too sticky at the end. So I'm fixing to pop this into a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes. Okay guys, here they are right out of the oven. Look how toasty some of that cereal got. It's gonna be good. All right, so now you want to immediately mix it all up. And I'm gonna use a rubber spatula and I'm gonna spray it with some nonstick spray just to help. All right, y'all see how much marshmallow I have? I'm gonna go ahead and add another cup of cereal. You can adjust it to how gooey you like your Rice Krispie treats or cereal treats or whatever. You wanna make sure you're getting on the bottom and getting all that butter up. Right now, you're just gonna smooth it out. And you wanna kinda push them down in there just like regular Rice Krispie treats so they kind of hold together. That's it. Now we just got to let them cool so we can cut into them. So you can leave them just like, oh, I wanted to sprinkle a little more cinnamon on top, or to be a little extra, I'm going to do a little pumpkin pie spice. Just like that. Now, you can leave it just like this, or if you want to be extra or you're taking them to a party, you can fancy these up, decorate them. I pulled out some stuff that I had so I can kind of show you a real simple idea. So I have these coffee syrups that have been in my refrigerator for a while, caramel and chocolate. So I'm only going to do half of them because I kind of want to keep half plain. So I'm going to go in and just do some drizzles of caramel and chocolate. And I found some of these little Halloween kind of looking, fall looking sprinkles and that in my cabinet. So we're going to put some of that on there. Like I said, I only did half. So there you go. There's the little half that's decorated, and there's the half that just has the pumpkin pie spice on top. All right. So now the hardest part is letting them cool and harden, and then I'll come back and do a taste test. My Rice Krispie treat, I got in them when they were warm. I wanted to see how they set up, because I ate some when it was still real warm and gooey. So I'm gonna see how they cut and see how they do once they've cooled off. Don't mind the mess, I'm cooking supper. Ooh, it's still gooey. Now let's see. I like it. Of course, I love the cinnamon in it, but it's just a fun little twist on Rice Krispie treats, and you can use any kind of cereal. I saw somebody say it was really good with Cinnamon Toast Crunch, which is my favorite cereal, so I'm sure that would be really good. This was a hit. I hope y'all try it. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.